Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Technical Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out yet another Spigen case for the Apple Watch Ultra. And this time in front of us, we have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case / screen protector. So this does two things in one, which is really nice. Right away, the price on this is $16.99 on Amazon. So pretty decent price compared to some other cases that I've actually checked out. And it is from a reputable brand. So it's always good to know that your watch is going to be safe. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. As I said, this is a two-part case kind of. It's one piece, however, it does have two functions. It is a case plus a screen protector. I did recently check out the rugged armor, which didn't cover the screen. It covered the full body, however, the screen was still out in the open. I know the Apple Watch screen, the Apple Watch Ultra screen is made out of sapphire, so it is pretty scratch resistant. However, it's always good to know that you have an extra layer of protection on there. So here is the box. As you can see, we get a nice little image of what the case looks like, but other than that, there really isn't too much else to it. So let's go ahead and open this up with the pull tab. Alright, and then take out our case. Let's see, do we get anything else? We also do get some instructions right here. Plop that to the side. So let's go ahead and check these instructions out. Installation, it says you're going to push in from the, you're going to push the bottom in first, and then you're going to push in the sides, and then other than that, it shows you how to actually take it out as well. So you got to push down and then pull it out from this side. So pretty easy and pretty simple. It is a watch case anyway, so it shouldn't be too hard. Here is our case inside of this nice little pouch with the area for the screen protector. As you can see, it is covered. Remove the protection film. The inside does not have one, so you should put this on beforehand, I guess. I don't believe so. Yeah, the inside does not have one, but that is okay. And as you can see, it does cover up the full body, which is always good to know. So let me go ahead and wipe the display on this Apple Watch real quick. Go ahead and get this wiped down. Alright. And then place this back and take the, okay, so push it in first. So to actually install this, just like we saw, we have to push in the bottom, and then once you push in the bottom, you're going to push in the top while holding this part right here. Alright, and then you push it in, and that is it. So super easy. Let's go ahead and remove the protection film, and boom. So here is our Apple Watch Ultra inside of the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case. Looks really nice and clean, and then the display still looks really nice, which is always good to know. As you can see, we still do get a brightness and everything, and it doesn't feel too bad. It feels alright. It might feel a little different compared to the actual display of the Apple Watch Ultra. However, it's not too different, so it's good to know that you are still getting a pretty premium case and pretty premium screen protector on this Apple Watch Ultra. So checking out the sides, the left side, we can see that our action button and speaker grill are not covered up by anything. It would have been nice if we had buttons over them like the rugged armor case, but I guess this is good as well. We can still access our action button, plus our speaker is out in the open, so super easy to use those. However, our normal button on the side is going to be covered up by another button, which is super easy to click, so no extra force is needed to be applied on the button, which is always good to know. So we do get protection and no disadvantages from that. And then we also do have our crown, which is still out in the open. As you can see, I can use it perfectly. We'll go into the night mode and then we'll switch back. The case does actually kind of protrude into the area where the crown is, so when you are turning it, it does get annoying sometimes. However, in most scenarios, this will not really affect you too much, which is always good to know. The bottom, it's not covered up other than the two sides, which we also do have cutouts for the buttons, where we actually attach the actual watch band, and we actually have buttons for those. They are actually covered up as well, so you are still able to click them with the buttons that they have over there. But again, it's always good to know that you do get some protection on the back. But as I said, the sensors are not covered up in any way, shape, or form, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and put the watch band on. This is so we can see what it is like on my arm. So starting off at the top, and we do have cutouts for the areas where the watch band is going to be placed. So there shouldn't be any issues placing the watch band inside of it. So starting off the top, alright, boom, watch band in, and then the bottom. Go ahead and see if we can place it in. Alright. boom, and there is the bottom. So pretty easy to clip on, not really too much force applied. Let's go ahead and place it on my arm real quick. Go ahead and pull this. I did notice with the rugged armor case as well, it's a little harder to pull it. I guess the case might be pushing down on it a little bit, but overall it's pretty fine. It's still pretty easy to get on your arm. So placing it on, go ahead and get it clipped on. Place my passcode in. Alright, and here is what it looks like on my arm. So here's the Ultra Hybrid case for the Apple Watch Ultra. It doesn't add too much bulk to it. You can still see it, but since it is a clear case, it looks really nice on the arm. And again, we do have our screen protector on top, which is always good to know. So you are getting extra display protection, and you're probably not going to be scratching your display, which is really nice. So overall, a pretty decent case, especially for the price. You are getting all the benefits of having a case on your Apple Watch, and it does protect all the sides and the display. So overall, a really nice and decent watch case. Again, if you do want to check out any of the products in my videos, I will always have links in the description for those. And so that will basically wrap it up for today's video. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see y'all in the next one.